In a world where efficiency and comfort reign supreme, a revolutionary device has emerged, forever changing the morning routine of millions of men. Imagine for a moment a device capable of transforming your personal care experience, a tool so innovative and versatile that it makes all other devices in your bathroom obsolete. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Philips OneBlade Pro 360, the jewel of shaving and beard trimming technology that promises to revolutionize your daily routine. 2001. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order your Philips OneBlade Pro 360 right away. The Philips OneBlade Pro 360 is the ideal tool for those looking for an all-in-one solution to trim, style, and shave their beard and body with precision and comfort. It is a perfect choice for the modern man who values efficiency and versatility in his personal care routine. The Philips OneBlade is not just a razor. It is a fulfilled promise of simplicity, efficiency, and versatility, wrapped in a sleek and practical design. With its unique 360 blade, it offers an unparalleled shaving experience, pivoting in all directions for constant contact with the skin, ensuring a close shave effortlessly, even in the most hard-to-reach areas. But where the Philips OneBlade Pro 360 truly shines is in its ability to adapt to your specific needs. Whether you want to trim your beard to a precise length, define sharp contours, or simply shave your face and body, this device is the perfect ally. Thanks to its precision comb offering 14 different cutting lengths ranging from 0.4 to 10 millimeters, you have complete control to achieve exactly the look you desire. Furthermore, with its included body kit, it becomes your ideal companion for maintaining body hair, all while protecting your skin thanks to its clip-on protection system designed for sensitive areas. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Another remarkable feature of the Philips OneBlade Pro 360 is its innovative blade technology. Philips promises exceptional efficiency thanks to a fast-cutting element capable of performing 12,000 movements per minute. This speed, combined with a dual protection system featuring a smooth coating and rounded edges, ensures a comfortable and irritation-free shave even on the longest hairs. Designed to last, the Philips OneBlade Pro 360 is built to provide up to 4 months of use without the blade dulling, ensuring a lasting feeling of freshness. And when it's time to change the blade, a handy icon appears, effortlessly guiding you through the process. The battery, for its part, offers 60 minutes of autonomy after a full charge, ensuring that your device will always be ready when you need it. The complete set includes not only the Philips OneBlade Pro 360 with its revolutionary blade for the face and body, but also a practical travel case, a charging stand, a charger, and a user manual. Everything has been designed to make your experience as pleasant and efficient as possible, whether you are at home or on the go. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily routine. The Philips OneBlade Pro 360, rated 4.5 out of 5 stars by over 2,500 satisfied users, is much more than just a razor. It is a revolution in the world of men's personal care. A device that adapts to you, your needs, and your lifestyle. With the Philips OneBlade Pro 360, Philips offers you not just a tool, but a new way to see yourself, feel yourself, and live your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Capable of trimming, styling, and shaving at different lengths without the need for multiple tools. Advantage number 2, innovative technology. The 360 blade offers an effective and comfortable shave, reducing the number of passes and minimizing skin irritation. Advantage number 3, precision. The adjustable guard with 14 cutting lengths allows for precise control over beard styling. Advantage number 5, skin protection. Specifically designed to cut hair without causing cuts or irritation. Ideal for sensitive skin. Advantage 6, battery life, 60 minutes of continuous use after a full charge, suitable for multiple shaving or trimming sessions. Advantage number 7, easy to maintain. The durable blade only needs to be replaced approximately every 4 months with a clear replacement indicator. Now, let's move on to a few drawbacks. The number 1 drawback is adaptation. To get used to traditional shaving with blades or other types of electric razors, there may be an adjustment period to become familiar with the Philips OneBlade Pro 360 technology. And now, if what you have just discovered has sparked your curiosity, if you are ready to change your personal care routine and embrace the future of shaving and beard trimming, do not miss this opportunity. Click on the link in the description to order your Philips OneBlade Pro 360 at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of reviews from customers who have already experienced this revolution. Don't miss this chance to redefine your daily routine with Philips OneBlade Pro 360. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.